Today we talk about how can you disable notification about feedback on your wake-up. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. All you have to do, just go above your photo, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile here. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So when you click on this sign here, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on edit profile. So then, sorry, I'll go back. When you click in this sign, like I say inverse, you click in this sign, then it's going to show for you a list like this. Click on settings. So then you come to this list here, click on notifications, and you come to this list here, you click on feedback. When you click on feedback, it's going to take you to this list. You come to notifications about feedback, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.